Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about datums, datum A, datum B, and datum C, what they are, and the role of datum in completely fixing or immobilizing a part. So let's begin. Right now, this part can move on 6 degree of freedom. As we know, there are 3 axes, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So let me explain you the 6 degree of freedom. As we know, we have 3 axes, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So this part can move linearly on x-axis, right? This part can linearly move on z-axis, and this part can linearly move on x-axis. So these are 3 motions, 3 degree of freedom. And let me tell you 3 other degree of freedom. This part can rotate about y-axis, right? Rotate about y-axis. This part can rotate about z-axis, right? And this part can rotate about x-axis. So there is total of 6 degree of freedom. We have to fix all of these 6 degree of freedom of this part, right? So how we will fix it? So this is the plane, right? This is the plane, and what we will do, we will fix this part on this plane. So we will fix this surface of the part, on this plane. So we will call it as datum A, right? So let me fix it for you. This is our datum A. This surface is datum A, and we will fix this part on this datum A, right? So let me show you. Now this part is fixed on this datum A. As we have locked this surface on datum A, but still this part can move. But now this part can move on only 3 degree of freedom. 2 rotations has been locked and 1 linear motion has been locked. So let me show you. This part can move forward and backward, but this part cannot move up and down. This part cannot move up and down now, right? This part has only 1 rotation now. Rotation about this axis. You can consider it as y-axis or z-axis, but this part now has only 1 rotation. Previously this part has 3 rotations, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, but now this part can only rotate on 1 axis because we have locked the surface on datum A. Now this is our datum B. This surface is our datum B. So let me lock this surface on datum B. So now this part is locked on datum B. Now we have applied datum A and datum B. This part can only move forward and backward like this. This part cannot move like this, left and right or up and down. So this part now only have 1 degree of freedom. Let me show you this rotation. This part cannot even rotate. So all of the rotations, x-axis of y-axis and z-axis, has been locked. Now let's apply datum C here. So let me just lock this surface on datum C, and now all of the degree of freedom has been locked. All of the degree of freedom has been locked. So now this part is totally fixed on datum A, datum B, and datum C. Now let me show you. This is the move command. This part is not able to move, right? And this is the rotate command, and this part is not even able to rotate. So all of the 6 degree of freedom of this part has been locked, right? With respect to datum A, datum B, and datum C. And let me hide this part to show you which one is datum A, datum B, and datum C. So this surface is our datum A, right? This is our datum A, this blue surface, and now this blue surface is our datum B, and this surface is our datum C. And this point where all the datums, datum A, datum B, and datum C, meet with each other, or you can say intersect with each other, is called the origin of the datum, right? So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.